Here are 10 hidden features that you didn't know existed in YouTube. Number 1. Click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and then click Settings. From here, go to Account and then click Manage your Google account. Once you've done that, go to Security and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click App Passwords. Now search for YouTube, and if you haven't already, click Add App Password. Now whenever you want to sign into YouTube from a new device or browser, you can just use this app password instead of your normal one. So click the app password you just created when signing into YouTube. And it will let you sign in without needing to verify with your phone number or email address. No. 2 is an illegal hidden feature that no one should really know about, and that is using YouTube to stream live sporting events. If you go to the Live tab, you can actually stream live sports events from all around the world. You can watch them with ads or without ads, if you're willing to pay. And this is completely legal. However, the streaming of these events are usually only available in certain countries. For example, if you try and access these streams from the UK, you will get an error message saying the stream is not available in your country. So you can use a VPN, like NORD VPN, to virtually change your location to access these streams. No. 3 is a crazy glitch that has been in YouTube since 2013, where if you type certain Japanese characters into the search bar, you can bypass the entire search functionality and get any video you want to instantly. The user then proceeds to type out the name of the video they want. And after doing so, boom, there is the video. This glitch has existed for nearly 10 years, but thankfully the platform hasn't patched it up yet. So if you ever need to find a video quickly, try typing out the title in Japanese. If you go to the studio on mobile, click Analytics, then click the Audience tab, then click More, and then click Advanced Mode. You can see how many views each of your videos gets from desktop versus mobile. But what you can also do is click this button here to view how many people are watching your videos on TV. I think this is pretty cool because it shows you how many of your viewers are watching you on their smart TVs. Next up at No 5. It's a hidden feature that lets you blur out explicit parts of a video without having to upload an entirely new video. Let's say you have a video and there's a part that you want to blur out. What you can do is pause the video at the exact moment you want to start blurring and then click the blur tool over here on the left-hand side of the screen. Then simply drag the slider to adjust the blur intensity. Finally, click Apply and then move on to the next part of the video that you want to blur. Rinse and repeat until you've blurred the entire section of the video that you wanted. No. 6. It's a hidden setting in YouTube Studio that allows you to schedule your videos to be unlisted upon upload. Normally, when you upload a video, it will automatically be set to either public, private, or unlisted. Public means anyone can find and watch your video. Private means only you can watch your video. And unlisted means your video is unpublicly available, but anyone with the link can still watch it. Well, there is a fourth option that's hidden away in the studio under Visibility. If you select this option, your video will be unlisted by default upon upload. And then you can manually change it to public once the video has finished uploading. Next up, did you know that if you hover over a video on the home page, you can preview it without actually clicking on it? You can also do this on the subscription feed, search results page, and the shorts feed. Simply hover over the video until it's S, highlighted in blue, and then you can click play to preview it without actually clicking on it. This next one is a bit of a weird glitch that lets you have multiple profiles on the same YouTube account. If you click your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and then click Create a New Profile, you can do so by giving it a name and a color. But if you go back to your main profile, you can actually see the other profiles that you've created in the URL bar. And if you click on them, you can switch between profiles instantly. YouTube definitely isn't encouraging you to do this, because if you go to the main profile page, you can clearly see that all of the subscribers are shared across all of the different profiles. So this is quite a weird glitch, and I'm not sure why YouTube has fixed it yet. YouTube recently introduced a new feature called Add Channel to Home Screen. which basically allows you to pin a channel to your home screen so you can easily access their videos. All you need to do is go to a channel, click the three-dot menu, and then click Add Channel to Home Screen. You will then be able to access their videos directly from your home page. And finally, at number 10, if you click the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner of the screen and then click Settings, you can now access the dark theme. This is great for those of you who prefer to use YouTube at nighttime, and it helps reduce eye strain, especially if you're watching videos in a dark room. But now it's time for you to take action. Go and check out these hidden features right now. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more.